guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Safira, and in today's video I'm sharing my summer curly hair routine with you guys. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe before we start. I'm starting on freshly washed hair, and I also gave my hair a deep conditioning mask because the weather in my country has finally reached summer degrees. My hair is gonna need all the moisture it can get. So from now on, I'll be adding a deep conditioning mask to all my wash days instead of once every 2 weeks. See, now I'm already talking too much because I missed the first product that I showed. But yeah, it was the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in, and I absolutely love that product. I've been loving and using it for a few years now, so I'll consider it one of my holy grails, I guess. The second product I used was the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Curl Activator. That's a whole mouthful. Also one of my faves. And this product is a bit on the thicker side consistency wise. So I'll just make sure my hair is soaking wet before applying it. And these two products mix really well together since the Not Today is a really lightweight product. And the Curl Activator is, I would say, a medium weight product in my hair. It doesn't weigh my hair down, but it still gives me enough hold for my curls to last for about 4 to 5 days, I would say. And then I'm speaking about wearing my hair down. Here we have a little close-up action. Do you see the juicy curls? This is what I'm looking for in a good curly hair routine. So yeah, I'll be back once I finish repeating these steps all over my hair. So talk to you in a bit. Start the blow drying process, and the first thing I do is attach my diffuser on my blow dryer, and then I focus on my roots first. I always go with my roots first since those take the longest to dry, so that's the smartest way according to me to dry your hair. So now when my hair reaches like 80% of being dry, I take the diffuser off and just go straight in with my blow dryer, drying my hair in all different directions so I get the most volume, especially on my roots. I also applied some oil on my scalp since my scalp can get pretty dry, so I just use my fingertips to help massage it into my scalp. So now we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe before you go, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.